Hey, Natalie, move. Let him get water. Hey, that's good job, guys. Good job. You guys are doing good, man. You guys are killing them. Nasty. 3 to what? 3 to 0.
Can you open it?
Hey, that was good, yeah. Here, you hold it.
I wasn't even in.
Hey, good job, guys.
Freaking Alex and like, oh, nice CJ, and I wasn't even in.
Yeah. Damn, you guys are killers, man. You guys are killing them. Hey, está bien, Alex. I see you play, man. I see you good tipping. That's good, Angel. Natalie, move. You guys gonna get water? Yeah. Hey, that was good, man. Real good. ¿Quién metió el primer gol?
Yo.
That was you? Second one? Who was the second goal? Him? Tú metiste el de cabecita, right?
No, el choncho.
El choncho.
Yo se la pasé.
Hey, that was good, man. Wow.
Van bien, no se confíen.
A la
Give me some info. Díganle que nomás están jugando con el tío el 24. El más chiquito del equipo.
Hey, that was good, man. That was fucking badass.
Let's go, huh?
Yeah, 3 to 0, man.
Yeah.
That is good.